do we make the mortgage process more personal and really engage the borrower?
Part of the discussion we started with was, we seem to have lost the personalization. Everything's done through email, and even underwriters don't even want to talk to consumers, right? They really want to call a loan officer when they turn down a file. And we understand that's important, but what AW is saying is that he wants to bring back the personalization into it. Every time that he receives his first payment from a client, they pick up the phone and call the customer to say thank you. Now that seems like a pretty easy thing, and more like a logical thing, but there's business is so segmented. We have originators over here, we have the capital markets over here, we got the servicing over here, and none of it's integrated. All we want to do is originate and get it off our desk. Oh, you got a problem with the service? Call the servicer. Well, here what AW is doing is he's creating this personalization with his clients by picking up the phone and calling them and saying thank you on their first couple of payments, right? And so we think that, and his idea was, which I concur with, is that bring back more of a personalization with the consumer that you're dealing with.